Good afternoon, students. Today you're going to be using that CS First username and password that we signed in and signed up for yesterday. So I hope you have that on your iPad ready to go. You're going to Google CS First. When I Google it, it takes me to a website that looks like this. Okay, then I click on sign in. Okay, and then you're a student. And you have your returning student, so CS, and type in your number, and then your password, and click sign in. Okay, it will take you to our class page. Here's our class page. We want to work on the activity called Animate a Name, and click start. Okay, get started with this initial video that will explain the whole animated name. Okay, once you are done watching this 2.5-minute video, over here on the right, you're going to click on Start a Project. It takes you to the Scratch website. Now, very important, when you get to the Scratch website, it does not prompt you, it does not remind you, but when you get here, you will not be logged in. So very important part, when you get to the Scratch website, let me show you this one more time, and I click Start a Project. Extremely important that you go up here to the upper right-hand corner and you click on Sign In. Otherwise, all of the work that you will do will not save. Okay, I'm talking again about that CS. So CS, okay, and your password. Oh, shoot. This is right here. You have to be signed in. Oh, okay, before you can start doing your work. Okay, so make sure you're signed in. Then you're going to animate each letter of your first name. Okay, you can have it change colors, you can have it grow and shrink, you can have it spin, you can have it bounce. You need to use at least 3 to 4 of these for your different letters. Some of them can be repeated, like I might want to use the color one on 2 different letters. That's okay. You just have to use at least 3 or 4 of these different letters. Okay, so you are animating your name in the Scratch website. And then on Monday, we will finish these up and I'll explain how you turn these in. Okay, I really do have an account. There we go. Okay, so we'll get started. We'll tell you to start a new sprite. Okay, you'll have to find the letters. Here's the letters. Find the letter you want to use. For my first name, I'm going to start with an N. And then with mine, I'm going to have it change color. So then I'm going to click on change color, and it's going to play a video for me and give me the instructions on how I would change the color. So as I'm watching this video and it's giving me instructions, I can flip back over here to Scratch and start building the blocks for it. Okay, when I'm ready to do a different add-on for a second letter, then I can go ahead and click on that video, watch the video, and pick a second letter, do my second letter, and animate that. So maybe for my second letter, I'm just moving too fast here. I'm going to use this A instead. Whoops. I have 2 of them going, so I'm going to garbage one. Okay, and then I'm ready to start building. Notice if it's outlined in blue, that's what you're building over here for blocks. If it's outlined in N, then you're building over here. Okay, so I know that was quick. Some of you are going to be more familiar with this than others. Feel free to help each other out. Make sure you're guiding, not doing it for your neighbor. And then we'll talk more on Monday about what we're going to do to get these finished and turned in.